Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to lock WhatsApp on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to lock WhatsApp on your phone, first open up your WhatsApp, and after opening your WhatsApp guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon, and after that tap on settings on this option, and over here you can see the privacy option available for us just below the account. Tap on privacy, and over here you can see you'll be required to scroll down, and on this interface guys, after you scroll down you can see the app lock option available for us, and there is the disabled option available for us. Tap on that app lock, and over here you can see where it says the unlock with biometric. Tap on the toggle icon to the right side of it, and you'll be required to confirm yourself over there, and you'll be required to look at these settings. Either you want to automatically lock the WhatsApp, or after 1 minute, 30 minutes, or whichever you choose. I prefer the immediately one. And after that guys, after you have closed your WhatsApp and reopen it, it will be app locked, and you can see you'll be required to verify yourself. And guys, this is how to lock WhatsApp on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.